Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. It means a lot. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys. And what we do actually might help you on Chevy Sonic as well. So if you guys have a Chevy Cruze and you're trying to find a radiator fan resistor guys, we'll explain how to get to it, how to replace it and where it's located. So make sure guys you stay with us. Also guys, we'll have more than 200 mechanical videos on this car guys, on this channel, so please subscribe. Our goal guys is to save you as much money as we can by providing free videos. More electrical videos guys will be made on this car on our brand new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please give a like as well guys. So this is guys the radiator fan. Stay with us, we'll show you where the resistor is, what needs to be done. We'll need to remove the fan and we'll show you all that, and then we'll continue with the next step. Now, whether you have the 1.4 or the 1.8 engine, the procedure I think is about the same. Okay, this is your fan here guys, and we'll show you what we need to do. So before we guys start working, we need to disconnect the car battery, remove the negative cable first, then the positive. Okay, what we'll do, I'll actually, okay, put a towel so it cannot touch on the terminal, but you gotta make sure that you don't have power because the fan is in the way. Okay, and what could happen, okay, it can cut your fingers off. Now that cable guys, okay, we need to go ahead, okay, and with a clip removal too, okay, we need to pull the cable out of the fan. Okay, one more right there. So we have four clips holding. After this one we have one more. Okay, the last one is a little bit more of a tight fit. So now we need to disconnect the wire. Okay, this wire you press in and then you pull it out. Okay, it is loose. You just need to... Okay, I can see the thing deactivating. Okay, you can see how it opens on the inside. It's just a little bit stuck guys because it has a seal on the inside, so... Okay, let's hold it up. Okay, one person maybe needs to hold it up and one person needs to, okay, like kind of like hit it a little bit down. Okay, I can definitely feel it moving now. It moved a little bit. Let's come on this side now. Okay, it's coming out. Let's go on the other side. A little bit on each side. You can see it moving, but this thing, okay, tend to be stuck really big time. Okay, let me see now if it can come out. Nope, not yet. Almost there. I don't know why this thing is so stuck the way it is. Okay, perfect, came out. You can see it's a connector with 4 wires now. So we're ready to go. Now we have one more ground wire that we need to disconnect. Okay, right here. Perfect. Now guys, what do we do? On the bottom there is one more. Okay, I'm trying to do my best to show you guys, okay, where this one is. We'll get a different clip removal to see if that one can pull it out. Okay, perfect. Just like that. So we don't have any more wires holding here. Now or maybe one on the bottom. Oh, one on the bottom, we just saw that. Okay, one on the very bottom right there. once we remove it, guys, I'm going to show you where everything is. Okay, this one is still giving us a little bit of a hard time. Okay, perfect. Okay guys, so now we need to disconnect the transmission lines that go, okay, into the radiator. And right here, okay, those plastic things, okay, pull them out like that. There is a metal piece now. Okay, let me see if I can demonstrate what I'm talking about. That we need to pull out, but you have to be extremely careful, okay, not to lose it. So I get the spring now, guys, okay, and you have to be, okay, careful not to lose your spring. Okay, I got it. Okay, this is the spring for the hose. And now, once you disconnect it, guys, okay, you can just pull it out. We'll leak some transmission oil. Okay, let me see. I think this is the transmission oil, but you're fine because, okay, we have a container to collect it. I probably should have done the bottom one first because now I dripped oil on the bottom one and I'm gonna get all dirty down there, but well, it's a done deal. So let me go ahead and do the bottom one now quick. What we'll do, guys, once we remove them, we'll show you exactly how to disconnect those things because it's really hard. Okay, this one, I'm a little bit in the way, but this one is a little bit stuck, even though I removed the spring. Okay, it's still holding. Let me get a towel so I can wipe myself and pull it harder. Okay, you can see it did come out, guys. Okay, now right here, those are the transmission lines. Okay, we're going to pull them out of the holders on this side. Okay, and we have one more on the bottom. Okay, like that. Now, guys, okay, let me explain you quick. Okay, you'll be able to see on this side in just a little bit, okay, what needs to be done. Now, we'll try our best to show you guys. Okay, right here on this side, on top, there is one place where we press in above the clip, okay, and pull the fan up. You can see it locks in place there. And now on this side, it's actually on the bottom. It's almost not possible for us to show you guys. Once I remove the fan, I will be able to explain a little bit better, okay, where things are. Now, with that being out of the way, okay, I'm going to attempt to remove the fan from here. Okay, let's see if we can remove it from top or it's going to come from the bottom now. So we got it out on this side. You have to be careful with the wiring harness. Now let me explain quick. If you remove, guys, those holders, okay, they're just on clips, you can remove it easier. Now if you still don't have enough room, you will need to remove the secondary air pump. We have the video on the channel, but we'll attempt to do it, okay, just this way. And you can see, guys, it came out like that. Now I don't know why I heard people being charged $700 by shops to replace it just for labor. You can see how long it took us to do that. Even if you have to remove the, 'secondary air pump. Okay, you have one bolt right there. you have one bolt, okay, here underneath, okay, right here, and I believe you just have one more bolt on this side, okay, over there. We don't have the air filter box, you can see this is because we're working on other stuff, but it's not of any concern for this repair, guys. So alright guys, so with the fan being out of the way now, guys, check this thing out. Now your resistor is wired to the motor, guys. It's on the back side of the fan, that's why we needed to remove it. Now practically, guys, this thing is removable. Okay, you can see there is a clip up there, it is removable. But the bad news, guys, is that you have to be really good, okay, with the soldering gun. Why is that, guys? Because this wire right here, okay, you can see this wire, it's part of the resistor, and this one right here as well. This is, I believe, negative and positive wire for the electric fan motor. So practically you can, guys, replace it, but you have to solder those two together. If you can find one online. If we are able to find one, guys, we'll list it in the description of the video below. If you cannot find one, your only option will be to go ahead and buy a fan, guys. And we'll have that one listed again in the description of the video below for your options. So hopefully, guys, that'll help you fix your problem. Please give a like, subscribe, guys, to the channel for all the work we do here, guys, and see you next time.